In this graph, we are being asked to find the domain and the range. Remember that the domain is all the x values and the range is all the y values. Remember that this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. The domain, we read left to right. The range, we read bottom to top. Imagine that at the end, they're arrows. You don't see it in this graph, but they're arrows. So for the domain, we read left to right. Now this is a quadratic function, a parabola. The domain is all real numbers. And how do we write that in interval notation is from negative infinity to positive infinity. Now the range refers to all the y values, and we read from the bottom to the top. So if you take your pencil or pen and you go on your graph and you keep going up, what is the first y value that you touch this graph right here? What is the first y value? And that will be -1 is the first y value. So a -1, comma. Now it's right at -1 for the y. This is a point on the graph. So that's going to be a bracket. The arrows are going to positive infinity. So this is going to be positive infinity.